To troubleshoot the Paddle dashboard, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of your web browser. Next, log into your Paddle account and navigate to the dashboard to identify the issue you are experiencing. Begin by checking for any error messages or alerts that may be displayed on the dashboard, as these often provide valuable information about the cause of the problem. If you see an error message, take note of the specific text and search for it in Paddle's documentation or support resources for a solution. If there are no error messages, check your account settings and configuration to ensure everything is set up correctly. Verify that your payment gateways, products, and webhooks are all properly configured and enabled. Another common issue is data discrepancies, so check your sales and revenue data to ensure it is accurate and up to date. If you notice any discrepancies, try refreshing the page or checking the data in a different format, such as a CSV export. Additionally, check Paddle's status page to see if there are any known issues or maintenance scheduled that may be affecting your dashboard. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies or trying a different browser to rule out any browser-specific issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try reaching out to Paddle's support team for further assistance. They can help you investigate the issue and provide a solution or workaround. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve most issues with the Paddle dashboard.